Okay. Determine whether B is an inverse of A. How can we determine if B is an inverse of A? How about we take B times A? Because if we take B times A and we get the identity matrix, then it's an inverse. So 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, negative 5, negative 1, 3. If we multiply them, 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times negative 1 is negative 3, which is negative 2. 3 times negative 5 is 15, negative 15. 5 times 3 is 0, or 15, which is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. They add up to 0. Then 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. And 1 times 3 is negative 2. That's what I was thinking. So, if it was 1, 0, 0, 1, then it'd be an inverse. But it's not. It's negative 2, 0, 0, 2, negative 2. Okay? Does this have an inverse? How do we figure it out? Well, we put it through the inverse formula. And if it works, then it has an inverse. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So the inverse formula, 1 times A, 1 over A times D is negative 4. B times C is negative 15. So minus the negative is plus a positive, so it's 1/11th. And then you switch A and D around, and you make B and C in the same place, but the opposites. So the inverse would be negative 2/11ths, 5/11ths, negative 3/11ths, and 2/11ths. Okay? And just to check, make sure I'm not leading you astray, I am not. So I'm doing good here. Okay? Okay. On the next one, does it have an inverse? Okay? Do we have a formula for this? No, we don't have a formula for this one. So we'll just say no. If we have a 3 by 2 and multiply it by a 2 by 4, what do we get? Do the middle two numbers match? Yes. So we get what is the outer two numbers. So it's a 3 by 4. Okay? And what is the value of A13? First row, third column? 4. Okay? So there's only 5 questions on the second one. It won't take too long. There you go.